Mechanics are often given someone else's problem, but not before the customer tries fixing the problem themselves and making things worse. This customer brought their car in complaining about a noise when going over 70 miles per hour. Just remember, this person is on the roads with you. Check out this brand new rear upper control arm from Mevotech. The ball joint wasn't even seated incorrectly.
Brand new Mevotech control arm. Quality.
This customer brought their vehicle in complaining of speed wobbles around 70 miles an hour on the highway. This mechanic states that at 10:30 p.m. last night, a Dodge truck started rolling through their shop on its own and almost knocked all of the trucks off the lifts. This customer brought their car in stating that every single light on the dash, front, and rear of the car are on. Mechanic suggests European.
Nej, vi kan ordna den här till undercover cop car. Det är bara rött. Blått där, rött där, blått där. Vad fan.
This customer brought their new Ram truck in, which could be really appreciated, until you take a look at the wheels.
Oh, cool, dude. It's a TRX, man. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Supercharged? Yeah. It's, you know, it's like, what are those? Why? Why?
This customer brought their truck in complaining about smoke coming from the exhaust. It looks like one of the cylinders might not be too happy. This customer brought their car in for a wheel alignment, and when suggested that he should replace the tire or shocks, the customer demanded his keys back and drove off in a fit of rage.
Customer declined all service, so we're throwing on the spare.
This customer brought their vehicle in for a wheel alignment. Mechanic suggests looking for a new vehicle. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more mechanical nightmares.